Let's take a look at our last rule for today. Today we're going to look at the power rule. And this is basically when we have what I call an all-powerful exponent, an exponent that even has power over other exponents in a problem. And when you have this, as you see, what this x to the third to the fourth means is that we have x to the third repeated 4 times in our multiplication. So if you remember from our multiplication rule, what we do is we have to add all those exponents. Well, when you add 3 4 times, it's the same as multiplying 3 times 4, so that gives us x to the 12th power. And that's what we do with the all-powerful rule, is we multiply our exponents. We multiply the all-powerful exponent times all the other exponents in the problem. So in our next problem, we have x to the negative second, y to the fourth, z, all raised to the 5th power. So we're going to take this 5, our all-powerful exponent, and we're going to multiply it times all of the other exponents in the problem. So first, on the x, we get x to the negative 10th power, y to the 20th, and then z is going to be 5 times 1, and 5 times 1 is 5. And that's how that's worked. In the same way with the next problem. We're going to multiply this 4 times our exponent of 2. Our base is going to stay the same, so it's going to be 3 to the 8th power. Well, 3 to the 8th power is a very big number. Let's take a look at how big it is. It's 6,561. So let's take a look at what will happen if we make these problems a little bit bigger. Let's take a look. In our next problem, we have 5g to the third, h to the 5th, all raised to the 3rd power. Now remember, it's the exponents that are multiplying by this all-powerful exponent. Notice this 5 here. It doesn't have an exponent on it, so it's like 5 to the 1st power. So we're going to say that we have 5 to the 3rd power, because 1 times 3 is 3, g to the 9th, and h to the 15th. Well, 5 to the 3rd power is 5 times 5, which is 25 times 5, or 125. G to the 9th power, h to the 15th power. Alright, so let's take a look at this next one. Negative 2, m to the 8th, n to the 12th, p to the negative 3rd, all of that raised to the negative 4th power, or to the 4th power. So the first thing being raised to this 4th power is this negative 2. Now since this negative 2 is in parentheses, we're going to have to kind of leave it in parentheses because both the negative sign and the 2 are going to be raised to the 4th power. So negative 2 to the 4th, m to the 32nd when we multiply 8 times 4, 12 times 4 gives us n to the 48th, and our p-value is going to be to the negative 12th. The last thing we have to simplify is this negative 2 to the 4th power. So that's negative 2 repeating 4 times. Since it's even, that kind of tells us it's going to be a positive 16. So it'll be 16 m to the 32nd, n to the 48th, and p to the negative 12th. Thanks for watching.